How to delete items from your My List on BiliBili. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you want to delete your My List from BiliBili, or if you want to delete your items from My List, first of all, launch open your BiliBili app or website and sign in to your account. Once in, go to the upper right corner and click on this favorite button or this kind of a button over here, and once you're in, go to video under My List. Here you'll be able to see your My List or the videos that you've added to My List. If you want to delete the items, go ahead and click the three dots right underneath the video and click delete. Repeat this step for every other clearance. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted the video or item from your My List on BiliBili. That way you can easily delete or manage your My List. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.